welcome back to my channel. So for today's video
oh, voice crack.
So for today's video we've got just a small little packet. Ow.
Hit Rosie.
What the fuck, man?
Oh, Rosie's eating it.
Don't eat it, don't eat it. And we're gonna be heading downstairs to Cindy. Let's go.
Chloe, the camera is not fucking invincible.
Neither am I, but you still threw it at my head, so.
Honestly, guys, I think we all know what Chloe's favourite colour is.
Don't take the piss, man. It's actually not my favourite colour. I'm even wearing blue today. Bloody hell. So in this parcel is something to make something right in front of me look better. I hope. What is it? Can you guess? Can you get? Oh my god, this. So I got in here the steering wheel cover.
Yeah, boy.
And guess what colour it is? Blue.
Well, it's not going to be fucking green, is it?
No, you never know. Look at that bad boy.
Look at that.
Matching with my blue. Well, it's
It's darker,
but we moved kind of everything, you know. Yeah, I don't know what the quality of this is really going to be like.
Doesn't look too
It
bad.
doesn't look too bad, no. But it was literally just from eBay. Oh,
How much?
it only cost me £21.
Yeah.
And like Michael's old steering wheel covers were like
150.
Yeah. But the websites you get them from just don't do Citroen ones, so I had to just find one on eBay.
And we found one.
Which I found one. It's kind of cool, you know. Do we need a really top quality one? No. So let's just hope.
I mean, look at the quality in here.
Oh yeah, this is. We are gonna. Leave my button tonight.
Sorry.
Yeah, so this is the old steering wheel. You know, it's alright. Standard.
Standard. Doesn't even have any controls on it except for the fucking horn.
So we're gonna first up. We're gonna put this on.
Just like so. Hopefully this fits.
That needs to be the top, right?
Yeah.
Is it the joint? Is that the joint?
I'm guessing.
Needs to be at 6 o'clock.
And if people don't know, Chloe doesn't know where 6 o'clock is. Because she didn't pass primary school. Look at that though. Transformation.
Right, I popped this steering wheel cover on the actual steering wheel.
Got a nice centre line.
Yeah, got a little blue centre line.
The racing you're gonna do.
Perfect, but yeah, it's time to get stitching. I've never done one of these before, so I don't know what it's gonna look like.
Hopefully good.
Yeah, hopefully good. Fingers crossed. But yeah, let's get stitching a steering wheel cover.
Sounds good. So then, Chloe's actually smashed on with this. She needed a bit of help at the start, but look at that. Look, she's like Mary Poppins. Does she knit?
I hate it.
What?
I hate stitching.
Oh, I thought you meant the cover.
Also, it's not the best fit in the entire world. Like,
No, it's actually quite.
if you have a look, there's like a fat gap. But like we thought that when we put it on, like look,
It's not.
you can't. It doesn't like pull around.
With the other steering wheel covers I've fitted, there's a little bit of excess. It feels like it's too big, but it actually snugs up. But this one
there's just a
is too small.
fat gap.
Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see that. But it's 20 quid, so you can't even complain.
Yeah. I mean,
But I've tried pulling it myself, so it's not Chloe being a weakling.
no, the leather's not the best thing in the world. I mean,
But again, it's 20 quid. And we've got our dog here now. Rosie, high five. High five. Oh, that's a left high five.
we've got the bottom half of the steering wheel on. We redid this side because it
was my mistake. I told her how to install it wrong, but
yeah, just the method
anyway.
we were doing was a bit wrong. Yeah. But yeah, it's looking Not too bad now.
There's still a gap, but you can't actually feel it when you're driving.
Yeah, it's not too bad, really. You can't really see it. It kind of all blends in a little bit. But yeah.
Now we've got a big piece.
Bottom. Yeah, and we've got the big piece. Obviously, it's not the nicest material in the world, so. You know.
We're just slating this eBay thing.
Well, it was only 20
I think
quid.
for 20 quid, like, thinking that I paid 150 for mine.
Yeah.
It's banging.
And so we're going to do this, and if this has a gap here, we're going to super glue it on.
We'll probably use double-sided tape.
Oh, that's a
instead.
good shout, yeah.
So just to hold that down and and this bit as well.
Yeah.
Because it's usually with like most steering wheel covers, you actually tuck it in here. If the camera can see.
Yeah, I was trying to think of
And you tuck it in there.
what you do, but this one just doesn't give you a
Yeah,
big
it doesn't give you enough.
Which is slightly weird, because that should come, it would look better probably if that was, but we move. But yeah, we're going to do the top half, and then we'll get back to you. Just like that, it's finished. It's pretty cool.
Not the best looking steering wheel in the world,
I mean, they don't, for some reason they don't make it so these bits can be tucked in, like look. And obviously the material's not the best, so it's all creased. But, you know,
for a C1?
For a Citroen C1 for 20 quid, it's not bad. Yeah, these bits are double-sided tape down.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's a bit of a weird. I don't think it was specifically made for a Citroen C1.
No, they've just been like
tailor-made.
They've just been like, ah, it fits a C1.
Yeah, so let's.
That's probably why none of these bits are covered.
And
but
there's a little slight gap, but that's okay. That's okay.
It's fine. You know, this car is like
bodge.
Yeah, that's what we've learned. If I had a Porsche, I'd get a nice solid steering wheel cover.
We'd get a carbon wheel. Should we go on a drive?
Let's go on a drive and show them the new steering wheel.
So there you have it. You got the centre line and the top.
It's blue. It matches the rest of the car. Top quality.
Everything on this car is literally blue.
Even your t-shirt.
Yeah. But let's say your steering wheel, right? Some Citroen C1 steering wheels are probably mashed. They look like they're probably tearing. I don't know. If you have a steering wheel like that's like
really bad, yeah.
Really bad. Stick a cover on it, even like this.
Yeah, because if you look like this, it looks nice. Yeah. And there was like, I think you could get different colours as well. So like, whatever colour you want to match it to.
Can't lie, it's not the nicest steering wheel to hold and everything. But
no, is it not?
No, but it would do.
But I mean, I'm concentrating so much on driving, I wouldn't even notice anyway. I would have got, if companies did covers for Citroen C1s, I would have got one. But no one does a Citroen C1. I don't really get not doing them for Citroen C1s because they're such a popular car, you know. Like, they're so popular for a first car, a Citroen C1. So like, I don't get why companies don't do them, but you know, I'm not a business owner, so. If I could do this steering wheel again, I'd like it if I could like personalise it. You know, like Michael's, you can like, it's customised. You can choose what you want. So I'd have
you
like.
can choose the size and everything.
What would I have?
Alcantara on the side.
I'd have Alcantara. Which is Alcantara? Like the suede.
Yeah, basically. The premium.
I'd have that on the top and the bottom because I don't like the feel of it. Like.
So why would you have it on the fucking steering wheel if you don't like it?
No, because it looks cool.
Oh.
But I don't like holding it. It makes me cold. So I hold the steering wheel here. So there you go. I'd have the leather here, Alcantara here, blue stitching. I have this a bit brighter. Like this. Again,
they're quite easy to install as well. They are. It didn't take me long. Once I got the hang of it, it didn't take me long.
Yeah, I keep saying this, but for the price, like, it was £20. I'll leave a link to the one that I used in the description in case anyone wants it. But yeah, have a look, because obviously it doesn't cover this, which is annoying, but...
Oh, yeah.
You know, what can you do?
Nothing.
Nothing. You can't do anything. So that's that. hopefully you guys enjoyed us installing the new steering wheel cover. Kind of cool. I like it. It works.
Yeah, it works.
But it's blue, that's all that matters, with blue. Follow me on Instagram at chl_.oe. Subscribe to my channel down below, and we'll see you, or I'll see you in my next video.